Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a mega menu using the Elementor free version. So as you know, for creating the mega menu we have to upgrade to the pro version of Elementor, but in this video we're gonna create this for free by installing another plugin. And basically I already have a video on how to create a mega menu inside Elementor, but in that video we created a full screen menu, and in this video we're gonna enhance that menu and we're gonna create another menu which will look like this one. So this is the menu that we're gonna create in this video. As you can see, this is the mega menu, this is the titles, and these are the links. You can customize this, you can remove these text, also you can customize the heading. If I go there, then this is another menu. I just put a contact form, a video, and a product just to show you that how we can customize the menu. Now this is completely your choice that how you want to design this. This is just by drag and drop and Elementor. So let's see how we can create these. Okay, so to create the menu, just go to your dashboard and install Elementor first. Once you install Elementor, then go back to plugins and click add new and search for Elementor Kit. And you will see this plugin, Elementor Kit, Elementor Add-ons, Header, Footer, Builder. So this is the plugin that we're gonna use in this video. And this plugin allows us to create custom header and footers. So just install and activate this plugin. Once you activate the plugin, then you will see Elementor Kit here. So just go to Elementor Kit and click on header and footer. And now we can create a new header here. So just click on add new. Now we will give this a title. So I'll call this header 1. And for the type, just choose header, and this is the conditions, so you can set this for the entire site. And this is the activation, so if you want to enable this, just click on off and this will turn this on, and click save changes. Now let's edit this. Again click on edit content, and here you can create your custom header. So let's create it. First click on the plus icon, create a section, and I want this to be 2 columns, and we'll choose this one. Now to add your logo, just click on plus and add an image here. I'll choose my logo here. Now you can resize this. I'll choose thumbnail. I can go to style and give this a fixed width. Again we will align this to left. And to add the menu, again click on plus and search for menu. So just drag and drop here, select your menu, and now you can do whatever you want to do here. So I just make this header, and now I can update this. And this is how it will look. I can change the background color like this and so on. Now let's see how we can create it more easily, the one I showed you earlier in this video. So just go back to dashboard. Now go to appearance and menus, and if you want to enable the mega menu here, then just click on this box and click save menu. Now this will enable the mega menu here, and as you can see, if I hover over this item, then I can create this mega menu. You can choose the mega menu for any of these. So I'll click this, we'll enable the mega menu, and we'll click edit mega menu content. Again you can create this from scratch, and if you want, you can click on this icon and go to headers, and you can use any of these layouts. So most of them are freemium, and if you scroll down, you will find a free item. For example, this one. So I'll click insert, and this is how our menu look like. So I'll just update this and we'll close this. Click save and close this. Now let's visit our website. So this is the header that I created earlier, and if I hover over here, then this is our mega menu. Now if you want to make this full width, then you can go back to the menu, click on mega menu and go to settings, and here you can choose full width and choose the mega menu position to be default. Again click save. Now let's refresh this, and as you can see, now it is in full width. Now go back to menu, close this, and you can create another mega menu here. So just edit this, again enable this and edit the content, and again we can choose a layout. So click on this icon, we'll go to headers, and as you can see, if you are using the premium version of this plugin, then you can create these layouts. And if I scroll down, then this one is also for free, so I'll click insert, and now instead of this we can put an image. We will put a video here. I can add a form, and we'll delete this column. Let's remove the unwanted lists. We can also make this a product. So if I go to modules and we'll grab a heading, we'll add a button and we'll call this add to cart. And here we can add another item. So that is how you can create the header, and you can customize it with Elementor. If I click update, and this is our menu. Again go to settings, choose full width, and position will be default. Click save and check it again. And now this is our menu. Let's remove this section. So go to content, edit content, and delete this, and edit the row. Go to style, and the background color will be this, just to make this different from the body. And now this is our menu, and this is our other menu. So this is how you can create a custom menu using Elementor, and this is with a free version. You will just have to install a free plugin. Hope the video will help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next